I'm going to do an experiment on synthesizing a polymer, and I will make a silly putty replica. First, a few days before the experiment, add 3 tablespoons of borax to water, and it doesn't matter how much you add, because if you add too much, then it'll just collect at the bottom, and it doesn't really matter. But after you make the solution, wait 3 days for it to completely dissolve, and then make sure you have a bowl, your solution of borax and water, as much glue as you want, some paper towels, and a Ziploc bag to store your silly putty in after. The first step is to add water to the bowl. And you want it pretty deep, but not too much, because you don't really need that much. And then the next thing is you add glue to the solution. And it doesn't matter how much you add, because the more glue you add, the more you'll have to mix it, and the less glue you add, the less you'll have to mix it. So it's pretty much just however much time you want to spend on it. And you want to separate the glue, because by putting it in the borax solution, the glue molecules are reacting to the borax molecules and turning into a new substance, which is a chemical reaction. So, let's look at it. This is what it should look like before you mix it, all separated, because then the surface area is greater of the glue, and so more molecules are available to react to the borax. And then, right now it feels like silly string kinda, and it's really stringy still. And the best part about this experiment is that it's completely safe, and you don't have to use gloves, obviously, because I'm not using gloves, and that makes it a lot funner. As you can tell, it's not really sticking together well, so after it's pretty much all reacted and there's no more like liquid glue, you can bring it out of the water and squeeze it to make sure that all of the glue molecules are reacted. And if liquid glue seeps out through your fingers, then just put it back in the borax and knead it a little bit more. Okay. When you think it's all reacted, just take it out and dry it with a paper towel. Dry your hands. And then you have silly putty. And this is unlike normal silly putty because it's made with water. So if you were to leave this out and not put it in a plastic bag, it would shrivel up probably overnight, when normal silly putty wouldn't, because it's not made with water. But, so after you make it, you just put it in a plastic bag, and it should last for a really long time. And another thing about this experiment is that it's completely non-toxic and biodegradable, so it's safe for kids and really fun. And if you wanted to make it colored, you have to add food coloring to the glue before you mix it with the borax. If you try to do it after, the molecules won't accept it and it won't work. But yeah, that's synthesizing a polymer.